In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable low time warnings and sounds on chess.com. If you've ever lost a winning position simply because the clock caught you off guard, this quick setup will help you react faster and finish your games with confidence. Start from the chess.com homepage. On a computer, look toward the bottom left corner and click Settings. On mobile, open the main menu and tap Settings there. This is your control center for how games look, sound, and behave. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Gameplay. This is where the time control helpers live. Scroll until you see an option called Low Time Warning. Turn that switch on. With this enabled, chess.com will alert you when your clock is getting dangerously low, so you don't have to constantly glance at the timer during complex positions. Next, make sure you can actually hear the alert. Go to the board and pieces area of your settings and confirm that play sounds is enabled. This ensures that moves, notifications, and the low time beep are all audible. While you're here, a quick reminder to check that your device or browser volume isn't muted. On a computer, look for a muted tab icon or system volume turned down. On a phone or tablet, confirm your device isn't in silent mode and that media volume is up. These small checks prevent the most common "why can't I hear it" issues. Now, what happens during gameplay? Once low time warning and play sounds are on, you'll get an audible cue and a visual one. Your clock will turn red when time is nearly up. The exact trigger depends on the time control. In rapid games, expect the warning around 1 minute remaining. In Blitz, it typically kicks in closer to 20 seconds. The goal is to give you just enough notice to simplify, pre-move when appropriate, or speed up your decision-making without panicking. If you don't hear the alert in your next game, revisit those same two places: low time warning under gameplay and play sounds under board and pieces, and recheck your device volume. Most issues are solved by toggling the warning off and back on or unmuting the tab. That's it. With these settings enabled, you'll have both a sound cue and a clear red clock to help you manage the endgame sprint. Set it up once and focus your attention where it belongs, on the board, not the timer. Thanks for watching, and enjoy smoother time management in your next match.